Hey, how's it going? Today I'll show you how to get the best and free IPTV player to your Firestick or Android TV. The whole process is pretty simple and will take you only a couple of minutes. And without any further ado, the first step you gotta take is get the app code downloader to your Firestick. You can actually get downloader free of charge from your official Amazon App Store. Just go to search on your device and start typing downloader in the search. And usually there is even no need to enter the whole name of the app because downloader has already popped out for us at the bottom. So you will click on downloader and there's the app that you gotta get to your Firestick device. However, after you get downloader, it is not over yet because you still have to set it up. So now in order to actually set up downloader for your Firestick, you'll have to go to the settings by clicking on that button with a gear icon. After that, you scroll down until you see My Fire TV. Open it. And now from here, you'll have to turn on developer options on your Firestick device. But on some Firesticks, and especially on the new Fire TV Stick devices, the developer options might be hidden by default. So if that's the case, and you cannot find developer options anywhere, then no need to worry because it's pretty easy to make them appear. You just go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and now you have to start clicking on the middle button on your remote and do it fast. So let's do it. And as you can see, now for me at the bottom, it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case. And in your case, it is going to say that you have become a developer now. So if you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options, which now have popped out for us right here. So you have to open them, of course. Make sure to enable the ADB debugging, then go to install unknown apps. And now here, all you have to do is locate downloader and turn that option on. So what it does, it's going to allow you to install other applications from the internet and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in your official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we're going to do right now. So now finally, let's go to the list of applications on your Firestick. Here it is, we'll open it. And now there's the downloader, which is set up and ready to use on your Firestick. But before actually using the downloader, there's one more thing which I always recommend doing. And it's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN because they're super fast. They got a great app for Firesticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use. And they are not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a cup of coffee per month, which is great pricing for us, the users. In a VPN app, you just connect to any server. Let's say I will connect to Italy, and from the moment you connect, all your traffic is going to be totally encrypted. It means that no one can track you or snoop on you online. And that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in the pinned comment below the video or in the description of the video, you'll get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Firestick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser, and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now, with a camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it's also going to give you the same deal for Nord. And now, finally, let's use downloader safely. So you just open the downloader application on your Fire TV Stick and wait until it loads for you. After that, you have to open the search bar right here and start typing in the code. So the code is going to be 272483. So once again, 272483. That's the code you gotta enter. Then you have to click on go. And while it's loading, make sure to subscribe my channel, so you will get even more content about Firesticks, as well as please hit the like button below this video. It really helps me a lot, and that way I'll be able to create even more videos for you. And now the download of the IPTV player has started. Usually takes only a couple of seconds, but of course it all depends on your connection speed. Then you have to click on install and wait until the app gets installed to your Firestick. And after it is installed, do not click on open yet. Instead, you should press on done, because this way you'll get an option to delete the installation files, as you don't really need them anymore on your Firestick device. So just click on delete and then delete once again. This way you get rid of unnecessary files from your Firestick and save yourself some free space on your device. And that's really important, because by default your Firestick doesn't really have too much of free space available anyway. And now if you go to the list of applications on your Fire TV stick, which is right here, you will open it, and there's the IPTV player, which we just downloaded. So now I would recommend you to click on the options button on your remote. That's the button with 3 horizontal lines. Click on it and then press on move to front. This way, the IPTV player is always going to be at the very top of your application list, and therefore it's going to be pretty easy for you to access the app every time you need it. Just don't forget to keep your VPN connected to stay safe and out of trouble online. Then feel free to open the app. And from here, it's actually pretty easy to set up. You just have to click on add a playlist. So we click on it. And from here, it depends if your live TV provider gave you an M3 link or extreme code. So there are thousands of different live TV providers in the world, and it's totally up to you which one to choose. And usually they either give you M3U codes or extreme codes. So if they gave you an M3U link, you would need to click on this option. And then you just click on enter URL and enter the link, which was given to you by your IPTV provider. After that, you click on next, and the IPTV playlist is going to appear in your list. Alternatively, you can also use extreme codes. That's an option with this IPTV player as well. So if you were given extreme code, no problem, you click on extreme codes and then enter the link in the server address bar. And after that, also enter the username and the password, which were also given to you by your IPTV provider. After that, you click on next and just enjoy the playlist, which is going to appear in the app. So today you learned how to get the best free IPTV player to your Fire TV stick device. Enjoy and see you next time. Bye bye.